The Barricade Raptor style upper replacement grille with LED lighting is available for any 2015 or newer F-150 owner who's looking to upgrade their front end styling to something very similar to the aggressive look for the toughest F-150 to date, the 2017 SVT Raptor. This grille not only replaces your entire front factory one for a new look, it even provides LED accent lighting that the Raptor features as well. The installation is pretty straightforward because it is a direct bolt-on replacement grille, but the lighting will require a small amount of splicing into your factory headlight harness. So with that said, I'm giving this one 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, which I'll walk you through later on. I think we can all agree that the 2017 Raptor is kind of a benchmark for aggressive trucks. This grille's honeycomb diamond pattern and the lettering in the dead center have been an iconic styling from the SVT models, which have been mimicked here. It also has 3 LED accent lights mounted right here at the top with small amber bulbs within it that hook up to your headlights alongside your daytime running lights. On the bottom, you'll notice 2 adjacent cutouts which don't specifically serve a purpose, but if you like to get creative, I'm sure you can definitely mount some small thin light bars back there to shine through the slots. Another perfect application for the grille is the guys looking to delete the Ford oval emblem from the front end for a cleaner look with no badges. This does exactly that thanks to the lettering I mentioned a minute ago. This works well with the exterior blackout done as well. This is more of a dark charcoal textured finish, but it does work very well and blends in with exterior trim on the truck, whether they're chrome or black depending on your application. It's got a very durable construction, exactly what you'd expect from the factory lineup on the Raptor. The OEM ABS materials are lightweight, they're strong, they're impact resistant, which holds its own against debris, especially good for the daily drivers in any harsh weather element. Now it's got the style for the daily driver, but the functionality and durability for any off-road truck, giving you the best of both worlds. This is especially true thanks to the high mount amber lights I mentioned earlier here, which give you just a little bit more visibility as well as styling. Given that this is more than just an overlay and actually completely replaces the factory grille, I would have expected a higher price tag, but that's not really the case here. This actually is more on the budget-friendly side of the spectrum. It's not the absolute most affordable option, but it's damn near close. This one comes in right around the $250 mark. Some of the more premium stuff would include stainless steel materials, a tougher powder-coated finish, but honestly, I think this is one of the best looking grills available, and I'm a huge fan of the Raptor styling, so it just goes hand in hand. If you're looking to cut costs down even further, there are some simpler options out there with no LED lighting involved that might fit your budget a little bit better. There's really a grill for everybody because there just are so many. This one also comes with a 3-year limited lifetime warranty from Barricade, just to give you some peace of mind. Just one disclosure here, this will not work with F-150s equipped with a forward-facing camera. Unfortunately, you'll have to check out some of the other options on the site that are made to work with that application. And ironically, this will not work with any actual Raptor models as it's made to fit the regular F-150s, not the SVTs. The installation, again, is pretty straightforward for the grille part itself, and then there's a bit of splicing to go along with the lighting, which isn't too hard. I'll walk you through that as well. You want to have a ratchet, a 10mm socket, an 8mm socket, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers to get the job done. I'm giving this one 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. It really shouldn't take any longer than about an hour or so, give or take, in the driveway at home. First off, pop open the hood and remove the 9 plastic clips holding on the radiator shroud. There are 2 more clips near the headlights on both sides. Disconnect the 2 electrical clips near the hood latch release and use a 10mm socket to remove the 4 bolts on the top of the factory grille. Pull back the headlight trim to access the last 8mm bolt holding the grille into place, then remove the whole thing and set it aside. Remove the 5 10mm bolts from the bottom and the sides of the factory grille, then the 4 plastic clips holding the backing to the grille itself. You'll need to transfer over that backing to the new Barricade Raptor style grille in order to mount it on your front end. From here, you can put it into place, bolt it down with 8mm bolts under the headlight trim, then the 10mm ones under the hood, just enough to secure it into place. The wiring will go directly into your factory headlight harness. You'll be given a wiring harness for the accent lights with a power and ground wire open, and a few quick splice connectors to get them wired in. Find the ground or the black wire in the headlight harness and clamp it together with the ground in the accent lighting harness. Do the same exact thing for the power or red wires. Once you test them out to make sure they work and everything is good for the installation, replace the push pins there and then the headlights. You can put the radiator shroud back into place and then you're good to go. So if you're the owner of a 2015 or newer F-150, you might want to check out the Barricade Raptor style replacement grille with LED lights, which you can find right here at AmericanTrucks.com.